Welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to do authentic Italian margherita pizza right on your grill. Pizza is one of the most popular and most photographed foods in the world. There's probably a million different ways and recipes on how to do it. How do you like your pizza best? Deep dish, extra thin, supreme, pepperoni? Let me know in the comments below. But today I want to keep it real, nice and simple and talk you through the different steps of making pizza at home right on your grill. When kneading the dough, keep adding additional flour to the dough when it becomes very sticky. It shouldn't stick to your hands. Gently stretch and fold the dough and then roll it out and continue to stretch and fold until it's properly mixed and the dough is ready for proofing. Let the dough proof for at least 2 hours in a warm place. Or you can also proof the dough overnight in the fridge. Just make sure to take it out at least an hour before you're going to use it, so that the dough can come to room temperature. When you put the sauce and toppings on your pizza, be careful not to overdo it. A little goes a long way. There are so many different recipes and styles and temperatures people cook pizza at. But personally, I really like to keep it around 400 to 450 degrees because it gives me greater control without the risk of burning the pizza. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes for the pizza to bake. Keep checking. You will know when it's done when the edge of the crust turns a golden brown. All right, guys, our pizza is done. Did you see that cheese and that sauce bubbling? It looked amazing, didn't it? Okay, let me put a little bit more cheese on top. Love cheese. I could eat, one of these pizzas. Another one of my favorite pizzas is the, cuatro quesos, 4 cheese pizza and stuff like that. I really like it. Okay, let's cut this pizza up and let's take a bite. Let me see. Yeah, it's nice and crunchy. And I really like thin crust too. So I'll show you in a second. It's nice and thin, and really nice and crunchy. Let me show you. See? Beautiful. Not burnt, it's just perfect. Let me take a bite. Oh. Really good. Wow. Really, really good. You know what's amazing about pizza on your grill? It's just like eating out in an expensive restaurant. You get like restaurant quality pizza right at home, right on your grill. It's amazing. Wow. I can't wait. The next pizza we're gonna do is mushroom and ham. So, you can do whatever you want, whatever you like, meat, vegetables, just cheese. Make it your own, experiment. You can experiment with the times a little bit, with the thickness. Some folks like the pizza a little bit thicker, a little bit less cooked, a little bit more cooked. Try it out, see what you like best, and make it your own. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked our episode. And see you next week. Thank you so much.